Of the Nespresso Vertuo. Hey, welcome to my quick overview of the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. This is a really unique coffee making machine. It makes espresso, double espresso, gran lungo, and coffee. And it does so using a variety of different pods. And as you can see in this set, we've got the pods in the box. And the box lid kind of tells you this top row is for espresso, double espresso, etc. When you pick up the pod, it actually is telling you right on the pod what kind it is, what flavor of coffee it is, and it's telling you the amount of water that it's going to use. So it tells you about what size cup you're going to need. You don't have to worry too much about that because this system is very, very intuitive. So this is your water canister. It is adjustable, so you can move this. It can be all the way to the left, all the way in the back, or all the way to the right. So you got your water filled there. Single press here. Press up, and it opens up. You put your pod in here. Close this up, one touch like that. It reads the pod. It knows what you put into it, and then it produces the right concoction of water and what is in here to create the drink that you have requested. So it's very, very intuitive. You don't have to worry about how much water to put in or whatever. It's going to draw whatever water it needs. I love that feature. If my husband wants to make an espresso, he can do so by just putting an espresso pod in there, and then I can turn around right behind him and make a coffee, and it's gonna use whatever it needs to do that. I love this little adjustable thing here, because then if I put like just my little espresso cup here, I have it closer, so we're not getting a lot of splashing, as opposed to me only being able to put it down low. So this is adjustable and can be placed in many different locations. I also like the fact that this comes off and can be placed in the dishwasher, you know, if you get coffee drips on it or something like that. Okay, one other thing I just want to talk about super quickly. This is completely recyclable. You basically keep these after you use them, and they give you a prepaid envelope that you basically just, once it's all filled with these, you send it back to them, and they pay for you to send it back to them. So you're able to recycle these, which is so unique in my opinion. This is recyclable aluminum, and then the coffee grinds also get recycled as well. So I thought that was super, super cool. Anyway, if you're in the market for a unique coffee machine that helps with recycling and is very intuitive, I highly recommend this unit. Hope this was helpful.